The Resident Hub was developed for community managers and staff, residents, and visitors to manage compliance with new COVID-19 regulations. It serves as a full application for shared space reservation documentation, activity tracking, and communications. For residents who would like to have guests or visitors, you can ensure that they are following the required guidelines every step of the way, from booking to check-in, and ensure that required waivers and documentation are properly executed, as well as tracking required sanitation activities. To facilitate booking and tracing, we can configure amenities and time slots for common areas that can be reserved by residents. In this example, we've set up several fitness center time slots with max capacity of 4. As bookings come in, we can easily see if we've reached capacity, and if so, the resident can no longer book those time slots. The resident portal allows for connectivity between residents, guests, and staff. Management can review bookings at any time and track key required documentation and waivers. Now that our resident has reserved an amenity, we can easily see if we're at capacity and how many reservations we have. The resident can also look at their profile and view their reservations. After a reservation has been made, a guest can easily check in and check out so that we can see when the facility was used. Prospects can also use the portal to schedule self-guided tours for contactless visits. Once a self-guided tour request has been received, staff can easily log into the system to search for units that match the unit type requested by the prospect that have been cleaned. Once a prospect schedules a self-guided tour or a resident uses an amenity, we can easily log a cleaning record and see metrics across the community. Each time a prospect or resident comes in contact with the staff, we create a visitor's log record to be used in our contact tracing report. The Resident Hub takes care of staff and documentation compliance management needs by making your document management digital.